Welcome to this demonstration of the Engineering Maintenance module. In this video, we will walk through the complete contingency workflow, starting with creating a work request at the depot, approving the request, adding and approving the budget, classifying the work as contingency, capturing contingency work details, and finally approving the contingency payment at the regional level. Let us begin. Creating a work request. Log in as Manager Depot, or Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the depot. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, then Work Request. Enter the name of the work, activity, estimated cost, priority, and date of submission. Upload the required supporting document and add the work item details. Click the Submit button. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the work request was created successfully. Approving the work request. Log in as AGM Engineering, or Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the divisional office. Go to Engineering Maintenance, then Work Request Approval. Search for the work request that was created and click the Approve icon. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the work request has been approved successfully. Adding a budget for the work request. Log in as AGM Engineering, or Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the depot. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, then Budget. Select the work request name and choose the authority. Enter the estimated cost and click Submit. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the budget has been added successfully. Approving the budget. Log in as DGM Engineering, or AGM Engineering, or GM Regional at the divisional office. Go to the Engineering Maintenance, then the Budget list. Search for the budget and click the Approve icon. A confirmation pop-up appears asking whether you want to approve the budget. Click OK to proceed. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the budget has been approved successfully. Classifying work process as contingency. Log in as AGM Engineering, Manager Engineering, or Junior Engineer at the divisional office or depot. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, then the work process. Select the work request name and select the work process as contingency. Click Submit. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the work process was successfully classified. Capturing contingency work details. Log in as a junior engineer or a manager of engineering at the divisional office. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, then Contingency. Select the depot and work request name. Enter the work type, nature of work date, and completion date. Enter the contingency number and estimated cost. Select the budget head and enter request raised by. Enter actual cost, vendor name, vendor contact, and location. Enter advance drawn and amount paid against. Fill all other required fields. And click Submit. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the contingency work was added successfully. Approving contingency payment. Log in as AGM Engineering at the regional office. Navigate to Engineering Maintenance, then Contingency Payment. Select the contingency number and choose Status as Approve. Click Submit. A success message appears in a pop-up confirming that the contingency payment is approved. In this video, we completed the contingency workflow in the engineering maintenance module. We created and approved a work request, added and approved the budget, classified the work as contingency, captured contingency work details, and successfully approved the contingency payment. This ensures proper approval workflow and financial control for contingency maintenance works. Thank you.